This is a 2019 retake of the elevators at the Holiday Inn Express and Suites at I-75 and Clark Road in Sarasota, Florida. So there's copyrighted music in the background, so I'm going to try to talk over it. And these are Mowrey elevators, I believe installed in 2002. And we're riding elevator 2 first. So there's the indicator again. Wait, let me just get a clearer picture of that. There's your lantern. Now we're going to go up to 4. I believe these are Mowrey Vandalic fixtures. Or Vandalic, I'm not sure how you say it. Alright, here we are at 4. Now it says it's still going up. We're at the top floor and it's going up. Okay. Let's see, if we press 1, it still says it's going up. That says it's going down. That says it's going up. That still says it's going up. Okay, that's a little bit of a glitch. Anyway, here is your cab view. Despite the glitches, I think these are still pretty nice elevators. 988 phone, and there's a certificate. Alright, so we're gonna ride elevator 1 now. We're gonna go up to 4. I can't even hear what that voice said. I think it said 4th floor though, and I was flashing down. So, alright, we're gonna go. Actually, before we do that, there's your call station. And normally there would be a view, but that room is closed. And yeah, we're gonna go 1. Here's your 988 phone and your certificate. And here is your cab view. It's at 3rd floor and it's still going down. Didn't say anything that time. It just said 3rd floor as it went down. There it goes. And that's it.